Alright, so here we have the Ghost Effect Sounds of Today Transistorized and Battery Operated Mark 1 Fuzz. So I guess it's kind of Ian from Ghost Effect's take on a Mark 1 that's I guess a little different. You'll notice it's got 3 controls, I guess, instead of 2. Now, I might have this totally wrong or backwards. The way I understand it is there's the level, that's like on the normal Mark 1 pedal. There's the bias, which is actually like the the drive or whatever, the fuzz knob on the Mark 1. But I guess in actuality it's a bias knob, and so what he's done is added, he's called the drive knob the bias knob, and then he's actually added a drive knob which seems to control the amount of fuzz, if you will, that's on it. So I guess it gives you a little bit more flexibility than the typical Mark 1 in terms of how much fuzz you want to add onto it. And I've only had experience with one other Mark fuzz, and that's the way it seems to me. But so anyhow, right now, I don't know if you can tell with because there's just little dots on here, but right now I got the level set at about 2 o'clock. It's plenty loud. It is bass here. It's not. I wouldn't call this a bright pedal at all. There's on the bias, I got this set at 9 o'clock, and the drive I have maxed. So I think the way a normal Mark 1 is, like if you have this drive maxed, I think you're kind of in normal Mark 1 territory. So just to mess around with it a little, I guess if you have the bias back, it's crackle okay. Anyhow. With the bias totally back, you get real. I'm on the neck pickup of a Jazzmaster into a high watt, by the way. Here's the bridge pickup. It always seems like the magic seems to happen on the Mark 1s between 0 and 9 o'clock. As you can see, the sweep, between that's where the magic, that's where the sweet spot is, between 0 and 9 o'clock. So now if we have the drive, it seems like the sweet spot or the magic happens on this between max and about 3 o'clock. If you go back to, here's noon. Drops the output substantially. You can compensate a little on the level, but turn the drive to 0, it totally cuts your signal. So you need to have the drive somewhere. So now like I say, the magic seems to happen maybe I guess between 2 o'clock and max. So here we're at about 2 o'clock. Bridge pickup now. Now we're at about 9 o'clock. Neck pickup. Now we're at about 4:30. Just to show you, now I got the bias dimed and the drive dimed and the level dimed. Here's everything at 11. Now as far as volume roll off, I'm at about 6 right now. And I'm at like 5. So there's definitely some gating that happens. It's not a real hard gate, but you know, kind of just sort of fizzles out. So now rolling up the volume, I'm at 10 now. So there you have it. Sounds of today.